Hi guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. All right, today we are doing 2018 skincare anti-aging favorites. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, as always, if you're already subscribed to my channel, once again, I just want to say thank you so very much. And if you are not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button as well as that notification bell. So let's jump in, and how I'm going to do this is I'm going to start in the morning exactly how I do this routine. It's the same thing every day. So I try and be as minimalistic as possible with regards to my skincare. I don't think you need to have 1,000 things that takes hours on end. It's my personal opinion. So let's go ahead and begin. The first thing that I do start with is a clean face. How do I get a clean face? I actually do a double cleanse. My favorite cleanser is the Palou Cream Cleanser. I love this cleanser. I love this company. There are two things that I will recommend from this company. One is the cleanser and the second is the toner. I think it's the best toner ever. There are a lot of great ingredients in this, including hyaluronic acid, extracts of pineapple and papaya. They try very hard to be an all-natural product. The fragrance that they use is an all-natural fragrance. The other thing I like is it is a creamy cleanser, and let me just show you. So it comes out in a nice creamy format. And you can use it all over your face, including your eyes. So eye makeup, all of that, it's not going to irritate you. It's a beautiful cleanser. I do use now a tretinoin, so it doesn't irritate my skin. It's just perfect. Then what I do is I will take my micellar water from Garnier, and I will just go over my face and neck with that, just to make sure that there's nothing that I have missed. Get this off. And then what I do is new face. Absolutely. I do it probably on average at this point 5 days a week because I went through a period of time where I didn't do it for 30 days to show you what those results would be. So I'm back to using it pretty much 5 days a week, and it doesn't take very long to do this. I do it while I'm watching TV or while I'm in the bath or whatever. Just don't drop it in the bath. And I've done many videos on this. If you'd like to see them, check out the playlist. I will list it in the description box. The next thing I do is toner. I have 3 that I would recommend. Absolutely, Palou is my favorite. It has Manuka honey in it. It's thick consistency. It's so beautiful. It regulates the pH of your skin. And again, toners are tough because if you're using a tretinoin, your skin is going to be a little more sensitive, or some people just have sensitive skin. This is so gentle and yet so refreshing and soothing, and it has ingredients that calm the skin, and it's just beautiful. And it comes out in, you have to give it a little shake, and how thick and rich that is, and it just feels so good on the skin. This has not changed. I think I started this towards the beginning of the year, and that has not changed. It's my favorite. Go Pure. I've been trying this toner. This is a really good toner at a better price point. This one has witch hazel, aloe vera, and rosehip oil. So again, it's a thicker consistency, and because it has the rosehip oil and the aloe vera, it is soothing on the skin. And hydrating, and so I like this as well. It's a runner-up. I have an issue with how it comes out because it is so thick. You push this little button, or you push the little top, and it just is, and the bottle is not super squeezable, so it's just a little tough to get out. But look, again, this is so nice and thick. See that there? Look at that. I mean, just beautiful. Tatcha Green Tea Watery Skin. This is another beautiful toner because it's very light. It doesn't, this one is a little more on the watery consistency, hence the name. It does have green tea in it, so it is very calming and soothing to the skin, and they're all excellent toners, but this Next we move into serums. I don't use a whole lot of serums. I don't find it necessary. I use a vitamin C. This has hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and green tea. So it has those things that help calm the skin and also get rid of the dark spots, sun damage. This one is by Go Pure. I also use their hyaluronic acid, which also has vitamin C, vitamin E, and green tea in it. I use these two and I like them a lot. They've become my favorite. Next, I moisturize. I use the Go Pure Vitamin C moisturizer. This has shea butter, jojoba oil, and green tea. You get the gist. They put a lot of vitamin C in their products as well as green tea. These are two awesome products. This has a nice dispenser where you just push down and take what you want. What I like about this is it's a very nice thin consistency. So during the day, it's just a beauty. I mean, you can use it at night, of course, but during the day, you don't want anything too thick. And this is so nice and thin. If my camera keeps thinking the light in the background is a face. It's driving me bonkers. There we go. So it's very light and just blends right into the skin. And what I love about it is it doesn't, you know, when you go to put your makeup on, it doesn't peel up or flake or anything like that because it's not thick. I can put this right under my eyes and it's beautiful. Speaking of eyes, not my best feature, that's for sure. Not my best, and under eyes are not my best feature. I use two products, the Thomas Roth Hyaluronic Cloud, I'll get this right one day. Hydro Cloud patches, I love the under eye patches, love this one, and love the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber. This is excellent for moisturizing. This is excellent for depuffing. If you'd like to see a video, I did a very in-depth video on all three of his eye patches. These are the two that work best for me. It depends on the day, what's going on with my eyes. Maybe I'll use both, maybe I'll use just one, just depends. The other thing that I've been using and I have been liking and I'm still kind of feeling it out, but is Plexaderm. And I will do a more in-depth video on this. I just keep trying it with the holidays. It's got put on the back burner, but this is my next skincare video is definitely going to be on this product, but thus far I like it. Let's talk about lips. This is by far my favorite product. This is the Tatcha Kissu lip mask. Love this. I will put it on at night and it just sinks into the lips and it's just so beautiful. And yet it doesn't smear anywhere. I don't know how they do it, but it's beautiful. And I'm getting so close to being empty, I may cry. I also use it during the day if I'm not going anywhere and I want to just do like a mask for my lips. It's a beautiful product. Now let's talk masks and exfoliation. Lou by Jean Zio. I know I mess her name up every time. Jean, it's S-E-O. This is a Race. This is a powdered exfoliation, so you put a little in, I have a little dish, mix a little water, it can mix a little toner, and then you put it on. It's oatmeal based. It's just absolutely beautiful. I mean, the products in here are so simplistic, and that's what makes it so great. My cats love this so much that Ivy will jump up on the bathtub and she'll start licking my face. Because it's all good stuff in here. So it smells delicious. It gives the skin this beautiful glow and it's very gentle. If you want a little bit more exfoliation, I have been using the Go Pure Microdermabrasion, and this is going to be sort of more like a mud consistency, if you will. Kind of looks like mud. So it has a little more oomph, you know, it's really gonna exfoliate, but you have to be careful if you have sensitive skin. This does not bother me. I just don't do it as often as I do the Erase because it's a little more gentle. As far as masks go, I don't use a whole lot of masks, but what I have liked, there's one thing about this I don't like, is that it does have fragrance in it. If I take that away, this Copper Crane Radiance mask is phenomenal. It's a gold mask. I'll put a little video here. I'll do it tonight so y'all can see it. Put a little bit here. And it's really beautiful. And you just peel it off and your skin is just glowing. So it's very beautiful. Night, I change things up just slightly. So I wash my face in the same fashion. I'll do a double wash. And then the first thing I will put on is Curology. This is amazing. If there's one thing I would suggest you all try is Curology, because it's designed specifically for you, which I love. And if something doesn't work for you, for instance, my prescription has the tretinoin, the niacinamide, and the vitamin C. And for the first few months, that's what it was. And then I kept upping the tretinoin. And then at some point, they decided to take out the vitamin C and put azelaic acid. I tried the azelaic acid. It did not work for me. I sent them an email and they switched it back to the vitamin C. So they're very accommodating. And if you have acne as well as anti-aging issues, then your formulation will have that in it. So it's really awesome. And then the next thing that I do is then, of course, I will put on my serums. My moisturizer changes. I do use the Pelu Ultra Rich Moisturizer, which is a thicker moisturizer. I cannot use it during the day. It doesn't play nice with makeup. But at night, I get all of those benefits because I don't have to worry about makeup. And then after that, I do use 2 eye products that I can only use at night. The first is Crepe Erase, which is designed specifically for the crepiness under the eyes. And I have found this has helped tremendously because I have such bad under eyes. The other thing for the upper portion, because I do have hooded eyes, the new faces help greatly. The other thing is the Ole Hendrickson's Uplifting Transformation Gel. This stuff is wonders. And it's very thick consistency, sort of like a very, can you see if I bring that in? Let's see if you can see how thick that is. See how thick that is? It's super thick and it's kind of sticky, and it just helps lift I've tried. I should have done it before and afters, I know. And maybe I'll stop using it and then try again and show you what it looks like. It's pouring rain and so cold and horrible out. So I use that as well at night. And then I'll put the lip mask on. And that's it, guys. I call it a day. Of course, I use the, just so you know, I use the Curology on the backs of my hands as well as all of the other items that I'm putting on my face. I put them on the backs of my hand as well as down the neck. I forgot one thing, can you believe it? And it's because I just finished it today and I haven't unboxed the new one. I'm gonna grab the one just because it's in my empties. Hello, how could I forget about my neck? This is the Gold Bond Neck and Chest Firming Cream. Duh! I use it morning and night. Love this. Done videos on it. If you'd like to see before and afters, they're there. Those are my favorite skincare products for 2018. We'll see how they change in 2019, if they do or do not. So as always, guys, I just want to say thank you so very much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I hope it's not, I'm going to show you. Look at that rain. Can you hear it? Oh my goodness. Anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful day. We are off to the movies to see Aquaman. I have a little thing for Aquaman. Well, the actor anyways. So guys, have a wonderful day and I will talk to you soon. Bye guys.